Hello everyone, it's Olshas, and today I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google account, and this is the latest version and should work for many updated Android devices. So stay tuned.
First of all, make sure guys that your SIM card is inserted. So it's very important that you insert your SIM card, because otherwise this method will not work, and this might be a valid SIM card. So guys, first of all, what you will have to have is your PC and USB cable and of course your device. So first just go to your browser and then search for Realterm #2 download. And the first link will be coming from SourceForge, and this is safe link, so do not worry, proceed with that, and then click for download. Just in short term it will start downloading, and you can see it's just below it popped up download. Since it's downloaded, you just click on that, proceed with clicking for yes, then just continue with clicking next and install, and finish that with the closing. Just click finish. Then you'll have to open this application, and for me it's on the desktop. Just make sure that you can find it easily and run it as administrator. Yes. Now, for some of you guys, this should work from the first case, and some from you might have to restore your PC because it also might not work. It can have any bugs, also cannot find the device. So make sure that you either relaunch this application or restart your PC. So let's get in some commands that you will have to type in. So make sure that your device is clicked on, is connected. So okay, and then go to find your PC, and okay, for example, let's go here, or let's go on the here, and then search for this PC. Click for properties and then device manager. After clicking that, you will have to find modems. Double click on that and then right click for properties. Then click for modem section, and you will see COM port with a COM7. 7, this is the most essential information here. So this is a port with number 7. Once you open the program Realterm, just make sure that you tick half duplex. The second thing, you have to go to port, and you're already seeing that it's number 7, which is correct number. You don't have to change anything, just proceed with that to section number send with a send name. And here you will have to put some comments. First of all, the first one is this one. I will just put that and show you. Okay, this is the first comment that you will have to put, and just click send. Okay, wait a little bit, and it might show some errors because it doesn't work. So guys, if it's not working, just try to relaunch your application, because you can see that it doesn't show up nothing. So just relaunch your application, click for once again Realterm, run as administrator. Okay, yes, then check the port, it's correct, then click send. Then put the command again. Also on display half duplex must be ticked, and then click send. And you can see now it's working. So guys, make sure if it doesn't work, just relaunch your application or restart your PC. It might help. So the first command is put. You have to follow with the second command, and the second command must be put on the same field. Click for Control C on copying and Control V on pasting. So this is the numbers, and this is the numbers that it will call to the following numbers. So just click that part. OK. Also you can see that the phone is already calling. So just click cancel the call and just click message. You can see that this is the number that we called. So we have to put into message the browser link, and it will be just a google.com or with the extension of your country. So let's put google.com, then send it. Okay, you can click cancel, but anyway, just click for google.com. Okay guys, so you will have to download ES file browser, but you will have to download with the Samsung Galaxy Apps application, which is already should be on the device, even though it's hard reset. So just click on the samsung.com Galaxy Apps, and then on this website you will have to click on Samsung Galaxy Apps. So now you will have to agree to terms and conditions, and also you will have to sign in, but I will just show you. Just find ES File Explorer, click on the download, and you will have to make sure that you sign in with a Samsung Google account credentials. You can also create the account, or you can do on your PC. So I will do that and get back to you. Okay, now we can see that we are signed in. Okay, now accept and download. Should download. Then you can see that it's installing, so it doesn't take a very long time. Once it's installed, just click on the application, open, and then you will have to add few things here. So just get back and click on this. Just click on the favorite and then add. Here we will add few paths. So the first one will be downloading Google Bypass account. So I will tell you the website is google.google. Just a second. This one, the third one. So I will put. You will have to put that on here in the path field. Then .gl and dash hk 80wd, and then let's name it like a bypass. Okay, just add it. Then it's successfully added. You could see the notification. Now just click on the bypass. You can see that we are redirected. Okay guys, so you will have to click on the root on this file, and then once it downloaded, so just click open file, install, and you will see this popped up. Install is blocked, and for security you will have to go into settings and then tick unknown sources, and also allow this for all the time, so just untick that. So install. Okay, great. Get back. Now you will have to add one more link, and this will be HTTP, then 2 dots, and then slashes, vnrom.net bypass. Also, you can add google.com because you can also find many Google account managers on the Google. So don't worry, Google Account Manager. So let's name it like this. But you can also name it with different way. So you can see the bookmark gum is created successfully. Go to again to that and then scroll it down and then click on the gum. And for guys, you have the latest Android device and it will require you to, if you have Android 6.0, one or newer device, you will have to download this Google Account Manager. So just wait a little bit. It will take a little bit time, so stay tuned. And also, as I mentioned before, that if you have also Android 5.0, so you can click on that GUM 5. Now proceed with the install. Okay, of course I want to install that. Just click install. Okay, so since it's installed, so nothing should be done. Okay, and and now you will have to click on once again on this part, so that I will explain you. Okay, you just click on that. Open the file, install, again install, because this part should have been done first. So anyway, you just open that and you have to retype your password, but you don't know, in fact you don't know what it is. So just click on the bottom and browse sign in, click OK. And here you will have to add your own account, which you know, your password, your login. So just add your information. And after guys, you put all your information, just make sure that you restored your device. So click restore and then you restore that. Okay, and after a few minutes you will be able to see that this device doesn't locked anymore, and it's not locked anymore, so you will be able to use that without any problem. So let's take a very fast look. Okay, now we just head in. Well, it's already, this information is inside the device. Okay, checking connection. Checking software update, and you can see clearly that the account has been added. Your first account is ready for use. You can add and remove accounts later in settings. So this is how you bypass Google account on Samsung Galaxy phones, and in this case this is Samsung A3. So you just click next and just next, skip, and this is how we get into restoring information. Okay, let's okay, now just head in. Okay, Okay, just later, next, and finish. And you can see that we already have a new this is nice, really nice. It's just finished. So this is how you bypass Google account. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Yeah, take care.